Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to recover deleted files from a raw disk image using a deleted file recovery tool. In this case, we'll be using Autopsy, as you can see with the icon, the tool with the dog icon on the top left corner of my screen. And we'll be recovering deleted files from this raw disk image called case_3.raw. Now, as you remember in the previous video, we were able to generate a test case, and at the end we had a raw disk image, and we named it case_3.raw, which is this raw disk image in this results file. And at the end, we'll see if we were able to recover deleted files, and if so, we'll put them into this file called output. Now, as you can see, this file right now is empty, but if we're able to recover some files, we'll put it in this file called output. So let's head over to Autopsy. Okay, now we're in Autopsy, and as you can see, we have three options: new case, open recent case, or open case. We will choose new case. And then in this section, you're going to put your case information, so the name of the folder that will be generated from trying to recover deleted files. So we'll say video example. And browse is able to find a directory where you want to store this file. So in this case, just desktop. Select next. Alright, now this is optional information, so you can input the case number, the examiner name, phone number, email, but we'll just put the case number for future reference. Next. Alright, now it's all done. And in this step, we'll need to select a type of data source. In this case, we'll select disk image, press next. And then now we need to select the raw disk image we want to input. Now, as you remember, our raw disk image is in the desktop on the results folder, case_3.raw. Open. Next. Now, in this next step, you need to configure ingest modules. Now, you'll select ingest modules related to the feature being tested. For metadata-based DFR recovery, no ingest module is needed, whereas for file carving, photorec has to be selected. Now, since we're doing metadata-based deleted file recovery, we don't need to select anything. As you can see, nothing is selected. Press next. And then finally, click on finish. Now you can see it right here. On the top left corner, you need to select the deleted files in the left panel and check whether any deleted file is recovered. So as you can see, it says two files were able to be recovered, AA2M and bb1m.txt. So when we click on AA2M, it was a file filled with A's, and bb1m.txt was a file filled with B's. Now we want to extract these files so that we can further evaluate them and see if the tool was able to recover the file as it was intended to recover, like the original file, or it was not able to, and some things weren't well recovered. So you right click on aa2m.txt2m and then select extract files, and then you'll need to find where you want to keep these files. So desktop, we said output last time, so on output, and then press save. Files extracted, okay. And we'll do the same with bb1m.txt, right click, extract files, You can see it's on desktop, output, and then save. Okay, so now we have extracted the files and we'll further evaluate them and to see if they meet the standards as required by NIST. Alright, close this. If you come to output, yep, you see these two files right here. Alright, thank you very much, and in the next video we'll show you how to evaluate the recovered files and compare them to the core requirements of deleted file recovery tools as specified by NIST. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.